Isang patay at isang malubhang nasugatan dahil lang sila inatake ng tatlong aso. At ang isa doon ay XL size na American Bully. Disclaimer lamang, ang video ito ay hindi sa dinidiscourage ko ang mga dog owners, kundi para maging aware kayo sa mga asong kinukuha or ina-adapt nyo para ma-prevent natin ang mga ganitong pangyayari in the future. Panoorin muna natin tong video.
Neighbors telling me it was a bizarre and scary afternoon in Mira Mesa after 3 dogs attacked and killed their owner. Now, a walk in the park taking a fatal turn. A man who we now know was 26-year-old Pedro Ortega was with his son by a playground when he was mauled by his own 3 dogs. New video shows one of the dogs walking into a nearby garage. The homeowner staying still to not provoke the dog, which he said was panting and covered in blood. Blood, he realized, that wasn't his own.
He was skinny, you could see all of his ribs. He was covered in blood, head to toe, so it was probably not his own. And he had taser darts sticking out of him.
Remnants of the encounter still visible days later.
So yeah, we still have blood on the car from where he wiped his face when he went through it.
The other dogs also ran off after the attack, prompting a lockdown at a nearby elementary school. All 3 were eventually captured, put into a bite quarantine, and humanely euthanized after being signed over by a second owner. Police say a second victim suffered serious bite injuries and is now recovering in the hospital.
I've never seen anything like this happen here before, and I hope it never happens again.
The Humane Society determined the dogs were an XL Bully breed.
Una, paulit-ulit na itong sinasabi sa mga video na related sa dog training na mag-research muna tayo bago tayo kumuha o bumili ng aso. Pangalawa, maging responsible owner tayo. Bigyan natin ng tamang training ang mga aso natin, kagaya ng pag-train din natin sa mga anak natin. At pangatlo, mag-set ka ng boundaries sa iyong aso. Huwag nating i-spoil ang mga aso natin. Huwag nating ibigay lahat ng gusto nila kung wala itong kapalit. What I mean is, bigyan nyo ng trabaho ang mga aso ninyo upang hindi mabuo yung pagkadominante nila o pagiging agresibo sa tao man o sa mga hayop. At kasali na dyan ang pag-socialize sa kanila upang hindi sila matulad dun sa 3 aso na subject for euthanization o sa madaling salita, papatayin daw. Sabi ng second owner ng mga aso, nakakalungkot man pakinggan, wala tayong magagawa kasi yun ang batas sa kanila.